And who do I see? I see Gargi there. Hi, Gargi. How are you doing there? Okay. I see Sahana. Hi, Sahana. How are you doing there? Hey, Amol. Good to see you. And who is also there? I see Ankit. Ankita Doshi. Better rename your device. I see Arya. Where is Surya?
Surya is going to join.
Great. So welcome everybody. Let's get you started right now. It's 5 o'clock. Can we all welcome with a big round of applause? Welcome each other with a big round of applause. Everybody, show me some excitement and energy there. Thank you. Thank you. Welcome. So today is going to be a very exciting day because we are going to be discussing some of the most interesting topics. Are you ready for it? So if you're ready for it and if you're excited, show me some excitement there. Thank you. So now, first thing with the hand exercise. Are you all ready for the hand exercise? Are you all ready for the hand exercise? If you're ready, say, bring it on, Imran. We are ready for the hand exercise. Yes, Arya, thank you there. So let's get you started. So everybody pay attention. We are here to get started with the hand exercise. Everybody position and let's get on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now shift over to the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everybody rub your hands. Everybody rub your hands. And what is the second exercise? Who's going to show me what is the second exercise? Yeah, second exercise is very good, Arya. You remember. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now shift over to the other hand now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your hands, everybody. Rub your hands. Great. Good to see you all. I see Sanyam there. I see Ms. Jyoti there. Hello, Ms. Jyoti. Welcome. Hi, I see Rupkatha there. Ananya joining in. Sanjay Chauhan there. Very good. So let's go to the next exercise. Everybody go to the next exercise. The exercise number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold on. Just realign your hands. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everybody rub your hands. Everybody rub your hands. And what is the next exercise? Hey, I see Arna there. I see Isha. I see Ananya. Ananya's mom there. Hello, welcome back. Good to see you all after a long time. Ananya and Manasa there and the mom. Great. So which is the next exercise? Everybody, let's go to the next exercise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold on. Just realign your fingers. Let's do it one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Everybody rub your hands. Everybody rub your hands. Great. Sanjay, bhai, good to see you there. And who's next? We're going to go to the next exercise right now. What is the next exercise? Exercise number 5. We're going to be using this space. Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Good evening, sir.
9, 10. Very good evening, Bida. Welcome. And do what's one more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your hands, everybody. Rub your hands.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Welcome. And let's keep you all muted for now. And let's get on to the next exercise. So which is the next exercise? So who's going to show me the next exercise? Who's going to show me the next exercise? What is the next exercise? Yes, the next exercise is we're going to be using this part of the hand. Everybody come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now shift over to the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your hands, everybody, rub your hands. And now the last exercise, which is going to be the last exercise. We're going to be using this part right now. Everybody position. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Shift over to the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your hands and rub it across your body now. Everybody rub it across your body now. Great. So welcome. Good to see you all. Can I have a double hand high five with everybody there? Show me some excitement and energy. Thank you. Thank you so much. Great. So let's get you started. So are you ready to get started? So today is masterclass. I hope you all know that we do this masterclass once in 15 days. So the idea is to bring all the students together, okay, at least 2 times in a month, so that we understand where we are, celebrate our milestones and celebrate our small achievements, and then prepare ourselves for the next game plan. Are you all ready for it? So if you're ready for it, say, Imran, bring it on, bring it on. So let me share with you what is the agenda for today's session. So the agenda for today's session is, it's a masterclass where the learning continues and what is awaiting you. So the first thing we're going to be covering today is, I want to hear from all the students who have been practicing my next level. I want to hear from them. What is happening? Imran, what is that accomplishment, what you have done till now? And please be ready. I want to hear from Isha. I want to hear from Manasa, Ananya, everybody who's part of my next level program. Let's celebrate your milestones. Let's find out where you are standing right now in the program. So the second thing is, I want to answer any question you have related to the program or anything which you want to clarify with me. I can do that. So that's going to be my second part. Everybody give me 2. Everybody give me 2. So that's going to be my second part of the program. Now, what is the third part of the program? I want to share something with you all, and that is the importance of following the guidelines. Okay. What are the important guidelines which you need to be following, especially when you're doing everyday practice? And what is the next thing? We are going to be discussing hobbies. We're going to be discussing why and what is a hobby and why it is an important part of your life. And I want to hear from you, some of you who practice hobbies on a regular basis, how you have been doing all that. So are you ready for it? So this is what is the agenda for today's session. So how many of you are excited? If you're excited, show me some excitement then and say, yes, Imran, we're all excited. Great. So this session is going to be a practical session. I want you to make notes. I want you to write down certain things which I'm going to be sharing with you. So could you please go ahead, pick up your stationery, pick up the program details, and then, pick up your book and paper. That will be really nice. Okay. Surely. So I have some of my participants who are not able to connect, so I'm going to help them. Meanwhile, I want you to go pick up your stationery, everybody, and be there. Pick up your stationery and be there, because we are going to be doing some practical activity, which is going to be super exciting. Super exciting there. So if you're ready, show me both the thumbs up and say, Imran, we are ready. Great. So I want to start my session by hearing some success stories. I want to hear from you what has been happening, what has been the changes you're experiencing by practicing the next level of mastering penmanship. And by the way, how many of you are part of my next level of learning? How many of you are part of the next level learning? Give me a big yes and say, Imran, we are part of your next level of learning. Thank you. Thank you so much. And Adosh, go ahead, turn your video on. And Sanyam, and you know the rules, beta. Ayush, Tejul, Abhishek, Aditya, you all have to keep your video on. It's a very important rule because I'm not going to be allowing you to participate without the video on. So please go ahead, turn your video on and be ready for it. Great. So who wants to share? So I have these 2 wonderful kids, and you know what? I want to acknowledge there is somebody who has almost completed the speed of writing, and that's just waiting for my review. And then you remember we have 5 important elements we work with the next level. How many of you want to meet the student who almost completed the speed of writing and they're waiting for my review. How many of you are ready for it? Say, bring it on, Imran. Introduce to us who is that person. So Isha, are you ready for sharing with us? Everybody say hello to Isha there and Arna there. Everybody say hello to Isha and Arna there. Isha?
Hi, sir.
Great, Isha. So I'm going to bring you into spotlight along with me. So I want to speak to you, Isha. Share us with us about your journey and let us also speak to the mom there. And hello, ma'am. How are you doing today? And how is Isha and Arna doing? We'd like to speak to you and the kids there so that we understand what is that you did that you have almost completed the program. So Isha, introduce about yourself. Tell us which standard you are in and which school are you from?
Hi, I am Isha. I am from 7th standard in Dean's Academy.
Great. And is that who is next to you? Is your sister there?
Yes, sir.
And Arna, tell us about yourself. What are you studying and which standard you are in?
I am in 2nd standard. I am in Silver Oaks International School.
Awesome. And can everybody say hello to Isha and Arna there? Everybody with a smile on? Okay, now, Isha, which level of the program are you in right now?
Sir, can you repeat?
Which level of the program are you in right now?
Sir, I'm in speed writing.
Okay, so have you almost completed the speed writing or are you going to complete it in some time now?
Sir, I completed the speed writing. I sent it to you yesterday.
So you're just waiting for the review.
Yes, sir.
Great. Can we all celebrate? I have Isha with me who has completed all the 7 books and she is ready to get herself the certificate for completion. I'm super excited. Are you excited?
Yes,
Okay.
sir, I am excited.
Let's speak to your mother. How does she feel? What does she have to say about your handwriting?
Sir, thanks to you. She is writing now very nicely. I can see the drastic improvement in her handwriting actually, which
Great.
I'm not able to believe it. We have, before also she has been to many handwriting programs, but never this happened. And I see there was not much practice also, but still they could write very nicely. That is very special about your program. And the way you keep on encouraging the kids, even in the WhatsApp voice messages is also very good actually.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot to you.
Great. So thank you so much for such a wonderful testimony. And Isha and Arna are very wonderful kids. And you should see Arna's handwriting. I'm a fan of Arna's handwriting because Arna is such a young girl and she is able to pull off writing such beautifully. She's in 2nd standard, ma'am, right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, she's in 2nd standard and she writes brilliantly. For her age, she has brilliant work to do. So both the kids
Thank you,
and
sir.
the mother there, give me a high five and God bless you. Congratulations. I will review it and you will be very soon receiving the certificate from me. Are you excited about it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. So that was Arna and Isha and the mother. How many of you want to complete your program faster and receive the certificate of completion? They all started maybe about 30 days back and they're almost reaching out to complete. Can I see a big yes? And how many of you want to see your certificates being there? Great. And next, I want to speak to Krisha. Krisha had something very exciting to tell me. Krisha, are you there? Krisha Pal, and if you're there, just wave your hand so I can unmute you and allow you to be here. Is Krisha there? And because Krisha is somebody who got a compliment from her teacher. And Krisha, I want to hear from you. What was the compliment and what did the teacher tell you? So let's bring on Krisha right now.
Excuse me, sir. Krisha is not here right now. She will be back within 10-15 minutes because she is for practice in her school.
Oh, okay, no issues, no issues.
So maybe after 10 minutes she will be here. So
no issues. You tell us about Krisha's growth and how she's doing right now.
Krisha, she's doing well, and I'm really happy with her. She's gaining interest in writing. That is the most important because whenever she's a child who doesn't like to write slow. even any work, she doesn't like to go slow. So she writes very, very fast. Because of this, she is not able to write nicely. But after joining this course, she has started writing slowly, even though she is not writing in the manner, the way you have taught in her classwork. So only the thing I'm expecting, she just try to do the same thing in the classwork also. So overall, she is doing well, and I'm really happy with her work, and so your work also, your teachings, your guidance, everything is really superb. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, and I really appreciate. And I'd really like to hear from Krisha whenever she comes back. Can we all hear a big applause for Krisha and her mom for sharing such a wonderful testimony there? So who's next who wants to speak to me and tell me, Imran, this is my success story. This is what I accomplished by being part of the program. And if you want, please type in your name on the chat box. So I want to unmute you and speak to you. I have somebody from Hyderabad. So I want to hear from Shubham, and let's hear it from them. Okay, by the way, before I go ahead and give you an opportunity, I want to welcome all the students from different backgrounds. I have students who have completed my 3-day program. So if you have completed my 3-day program, could you please put your 3 fingers up and say, Imran, I have completed my 3-day program with you. Okay, and great. And I also have some of my students who are going to start my 3-day program in the coming month, that is 17, 18, and 19. So that is Sushmita there. Hi, Sushmita. How are you doing there today? Hi, Sushmita. How are you doing there?
Sir, I'm doing well.
Great. And Sushmita is going to be starting her program from 17, 18, 19. And thank you, Sushmita, for joining us. Is Samriddhi is your mom's name or?
Sir, actually, my name is Samriddhi.
Oh, your name is Samriddhi. So Sushmita is your mom's name. So namaste, ma'am. Thank you so much for joining us. This is a master class, which normally happens after you finish my 3-day program. But I'm glad you joined me here so that you can already see what we are doing and what you can look forward for your child also doing with us. So thank you for being here. Thank you, Samriddhi, for being here. So everybody, can you say hello to Samriddhi there? She's a new member to our family there. Great, thank you so much. So now let's, who is there? And who is next? Who is next? Subhan. Yes, Subhan.
Yeah.
How are you doing? Everybody say hello to Subhan there. Everybody say hello to Subhan there. Subhan, tell us your name, what you study, and which city are you from?
I'm Shubhan Sai. I study in Foster Billabong High International School, 5th grade.
Great. And Subhan, what do you want to share with us?
I want to share what my class teacher said and my progress.
Yes, please tell me.
My maths teacher is very strict. Before I used to write fast because she'll not keep the slide on. And the handwriting would be not that much nice.
Okay.
But now I am writing slow, but I'm still able to writing slow, but I'm still able to write it in time and also write it neatly. So my class teacher was like, have you been through a miracle? How is your handwriting been this much better?
Great. And I'm really super excited to hear that. So teacher thinks there's some miracle which has happened, and that's why you're able to write that better. Awesome. Can you hear, bring applause for Shubham there? And thank you for sharing your success story, Shubham. And can we hear big applause? Come on, everybody. So let's celebrate everybody's success, because next time when I meet you, I want to hear some success story from you too there. So who's next? Who's next? Yeah. So yeah, Isha, we already spoke with Isha there. Yes. Who's next? Who wants to share with me what is the success story? What is the changes you're seeing in your handwriting? I can only take 2 more students and then I have to move on. Let's hear from Manasa and Ananya there. Manasa and Ananya are very beautiful, students, because they're not only preparing for their current academics, they're also preparing for their future academics, and they're preparing for their competitive exams, and they have a very packed day, and they still manage to do the work and keep up with the every element to it. So let's hear it from Manasa and Ananya. They are sisters. Let me start with Manasa there. Hi, Manasa. Everybody say hello to Manasa there. Everybody say hello to Manasa there.
Hi, sir.
Hi, and Manasa, we want to hear from you. What has been happening?
So everything is fine. It's just that I have a lot of things to do, so then it's a little tough. But then, yes, sir, I'm almost done. I'm halfway through, I guess, like 55% of it. And yes, I'm happy for that. And then, yes, I'm trying to incorporate all the things in my writing. It's not happening 100%, but yes, I'm trying it. And yes, so that's it.
Great. Can we hear a big applause for Manasa? Manasa, which standard are you studying in? And tell us about which city are you from? Yeah, you have to unmute yourself. You have to unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Right now, I'm in grade 12 and I'm from Bangalore. Yes, so I am preparing for the competitive exams also.
Great. And that was Manasa for you all. And now let's hear from her sister. And let's bring on the sister there. Hey, Ananya. Hey, everybody say hello to Ananya there. Everybody say hello to Ananya there.
Hello.
Yes. Which standard are you in and what are you studying? And tell us what has been your progress.
I'm studying in 9th grade and I'm from Bangalore too. So what I found after doing my next level program is that my connectivity became much better since I'm doing connectivity right now. And the last day of connectivity, I have to start right now. So it's kind of great because I can maintain the connectivity even now.
Great. So let's hear a big applause for both the sisters there, and congratulations. I look forward to hear very soon that you are completing the program, and I'm going to be sending you the certificate of completion there. So dear students, did you realize what happened just now is that I have a 2nd standard student and I have a 12th standard student, and all the different age groups we have, lot of wonderful things are happening there. Can we celebrate that now? Because when you celebrate other success, you will also see success happening to yourself, because it's all about the mindset there. So last 2 more kids before I go ahead. Gargi, you want to share? I see Sahana's name coming up. So let's say hello to Sahana there, and also Sarvesh. So everybody say hello to Sahana. Everybody say hello to Sahana there. Come on with a smile on, with enthusiasm. Hi Sahana, tell us about yourself.
Hi, sir. I'm Sri Sana Arun and I study in US School Whitefield. I'm in grade 5 and I live in Bangalore. So I have seen my handwriting changing. Before starting the course, I was really scared to write in cursive because I was writing very slow and it wasn't that good. So I was writing in small case letters. So right now I've completed my zones and started spacing, and I'm able to see the change in my handwriting, and it looks much more beautifuler.
Great, I really appreciate. And what does your teachers or your mom has to say about your work?
My teachers haven't viewed my work yet, but my mother has said that it's changing a lot.
Great, that's really nice. And thank you so much, Beda, for sharing. And I'm really, really proud of you. Let's bring in your brother. Where's Tambi?
He's right here.
Yeah, Sarvesh. I'm going to bring in Sarvesh now. And Sarvesh is also the brother of Sahana there. And everybody say hello to Sarvesh there. Everybody say hello.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Sarvesha Arun. I study in School Whitefield. I'm in grade 1. And then the changes which I saw is my handwriting is very neat, and I learned to write in cursive. So that's what the changes in my handwriting and cursive.
Great. I'm super proud of both of you there, and God bless you. Can we celebrate this? Thank you
And
so
my
much. Yeah, please unmute yourself. Sorry, yeah.
And also my Sahana told that when I was writing in cursive, Sahana told that she asked that did you write or mom wrote?
Did you write or mom write? Because I always ask this question, no? Sarvesh, did you write this? Yeah. Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I know you had to do, but you still made it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, thank you. I could see the changes in both my kids' handwriting, definitely. With Sarvesha, it's a huge change, which I could see because I haven't seen him writing cursive. So, and he was writing only the print, right? And he's showing interest to write. And Sahana, definitely, yes. And she is a kid who doesn't need me to push always. So she does it by herself. And definitely a lot of stroke changes with Sahana and the speed also. I could see that actually.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you for your support, sir. Thank you so much.
Pleasure mine. Thank you for being here and sharing the acknowledgement with us. And both the wonderful kids out there, thank you so much for being here and sharing with me. And before I go to the next topic, I want to speak to this. I want to speak to Isha again. And I missed out talking to Arna. Arna, go ahead. I'm adding you to the spotlight now. Yes, Arna is going to speak to me now.
Sir, in my school, we had a essay competition and I wrote how I practiced in the workbook and I got second prize. But it thanks Imran said now my handwriting is legible.
Thank you so much. Ma'am, could you please repeat that for everybody so that they can also understand? She did participate in the essay competition and you got second place.
It was for Independence Day celebrations in her school, and she wrote, the points were given for handwriting also. And so she could get second place out of all some 200 kids, like she was second place for her handwriting. Like.
Awesome.
So
200 kids participated and you got the second place. Oh my God, that's really an acknowledgement. Give me a high five there. Thank you. How many of you want to win medals and prizes like this wonderful kids out there? Give me a big S. Come on, everybody. How many of you want to win medals and competitions? Yes, next time, whenever you have a handwriting competition in your school or an essay writing competition, do participate and make us all proud. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. So now let's proceed further. Are you ready for the next topic? Say yes, Imran, bring it on the next topic. Okay. So now I'm also here to answer if you have any queries, if you want to ask me something, if you want me to repeat something which I have already covered, which you did not have enough clarity, please use the chat box and do share that with me so that I can answer it during the course of the program. But right now, I want to do something which is called as reaffirming. Say this word, everybody. Reaffirm. I know most of you are following it. But it's important to reaffirm it so that we all follow it again and make sure this is like our golden rule or golden principle. Say this, everybody. Golden rule or golden principles. So I see Arya there. I see Daksha Rao there. Hi, great. Good to see all the kids out there. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining in. Really happy to see you all. And I see Aditya also. Hi, Aditya. How are you doing? Yeah, Aditya, good to see you there. And who else is there? Surya, I don't see you, Surya. Surya is also there. Hi, Surya and Arya there. So let's get started. And I want you to please make a note of this because I want you to keep following this every time you're writing. Will you all promise me that? Give me a big yes if you're going to promise me that. So let's bring you up and let's share with you what are the golden principles which you're going to be following. And so we finished this. Thank you so much, everybody, for such a wonderful acknowledgement. And I'm ready to answer any queries. Please use the chat box and share with me. But now let's get on to doing this. And this is a very important part. Instructions or guidelines to define the game. You know what? Every game has to have rules. Without any rules, no game is exciting. Will you all agree with me? Give me a big yes if you agree with me. Rules and guidelines makes the game exciting. And I want you to follow the game and the rule so that you make sure that you get the best out of all the things which you practice. So what is the first thing? It is important to fix one specific time of the day for the everyday writing practice. So how many of you have one specific time? Imran, I have this time and I write on this specific time every single day. So how many of you have a specific time? Use the chat box and tell me what is the time which you write, what is the time which you follow. And I want to hear from all of you because what is important for me is you need to have a discipline of time. You should have one fixed time. No matter what, you are doing the handwriting program on that time. Okay, you are doing the handwriting program in that time. I want to see that. I want to keep the chat box open for everybody. Aditya says 5 p.m. Very good, Aditya. Sahana says 8 p.m. And Manasa says 5:30 to 6 p.m. Very good. Akshay says 6 to 7. Arya says 2:30. I want you to have discipline, dear children. You need to have one specific time where you're writing all the handwriting related work. Because if you don't have a specific time, then you will miss out on the important essence of writing or doing this activity. How many of you agree with me on this? Give me a big yes, Imran. Yeah, this works. Great. Now, second thing, everybody give me two. Everybody give me two. What is the second thing? It is important to maintain one pen throughout the writing activity. Why do I need to have one pen? Because I want your fingers to get comfortable with that grip, with that pen, because you're writing something new and too many changes will bring in a lot of impact on your writing. So how many of you are maintaining one pen? And okay, you can also make a note of all this, okay? Write down. Don't have to write down the complete sentence. Write down. Fix one time. Maintain the same pen. So just maintain, whatever is there in the board, make a note of it. Whatever is there in the board, you can make a note of it. Great. Thank you, Daksha Rao. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Arna. Everybody sharing there. Thank you. Thank you, really. Aditya, what time do you write? Yeah, you can use the chat box, Aditya. You can share with me. And I want to speak to you, Aditya. So stay back after the session. I want to say hello to you personally there. Yes. Great. So Soham says, I write in a particular time. Very good. Now, let's go to the third point. Everybody give me three. Everybody give me three. Hey, you're not smiling. Everybody, I have to see you smiling. Remember the rule. The rule is you have to keep smiling. And what you have to do when you smile? 4 teeth visible. Everybody, come on. Give me 4 teeth. Yeah. Sarvesh, your teeth is missing. Yeah. So let's get started. Go to the next point right now. And what is the next point? It is essential to do practice hand yoga every time you write. How many of you are practicing hand exercises every day religiously? Very good. Amok, you should also do it, Amok. Soham, you should also do it, Soham. Every day. Sanvi, Adi, you all have to do hand exercises, which I have shown you in my 3-day program, the Mastering Penmanship. And I have also added 2 more exercises, which are part of the next level program. So thank you so much. And good. If you're practicing it, make a note of it. If you're not doing it, what is the next important point? The next important point is maintaining the ergonomics. What are ergonomics? How many of you are using study table to write? Give me a big yes. Imran, I have a specific place I use on a study table. Very good. How many of you are making sure the distance between the table and the chair? Remember I showed you in the program how much distance from this bone to this bone. So please make sure you maintain a proper distance when the session is on. Very good. Number 3. What is number 3? You need to keep your book 45-degree tilted. How many degrees tilted? 45-degree tilted. And also take care of your grip. Everybody, you have to take care of your grip. Very good. So what is the next thing? What is the next thing which you need to be following as part of the program is, how many of you are watching my videos before you write? I see some of you are doing shortcuts. Imra, you don't watch my videos and they just immediately jump on to writing whatever I'm showing. No, you have to write every day. Before writing, you have to watch my videos in a very systematic manner. Okay. Thank you, Sarvesh. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Sushmita, for putting the hand up. Subhan, thank you for putting your hand up. Okay, great. And those of you who have not yet started with my program, don't worry. I'm going to share all these things in the induction class and you can actually follow all this. So don't worry about that. Now, let's go to the next point. What is the next point? What is the next important aspect of you need to be following this activity is, let's find out what is the next thing. The next thing is you need to have crucial time to maintain 3 pages every day. How many of you write 3 pages every day? Are you writing every day 3 pages? Very good. I see Gargi's hand going up. I see Manasa's hand going up. And who else hand going up there? Yeah, Sahana, Subhan. Okay, Sanvi. Okay, now hold on, Arya, be with me. I have a very important things to share with you. Okay, thank you. Very, very good. Thank you. Krisha also does. Thank you, Krisha. Krisha's mom for acknowledging that. Thank you, Beta. Thank you, everybody there. Yes, Sarvesh, thank you. Now, what is important is let's discuss what we have connected here today for. Okay, what we have connected here for. Dear students, yeah, Daksh, you're going to be activating very soon. Daksh, you're going to be activating very soon for you. Okay, so I want to speak to you about your hobbies. Everybody, how many of you have hobbies which you follow? How many of you have hobbies and you follow your hobbies? Everybody put your hand up. Okay, dear parents and dear kids, today, the reason I have connected you with the masterclass is, as you know, every masterclass I come with a topic, and today's topic is importance of hobbies in the child's development. But you know what? I see most of you have hobbies, but you don't do it on a consistent level. How many of you agree with me? Okay. And you know, what is important is discipline in every dimension of your life. Discipline in every dimension of your life. And I want you to understand the importance of hobbies. I know we all are time pressed right now. What do you mean by time pressed is because we have online classes, we have offline, activities, you have doing so many classes online, and too much of screen time has increased. So there are many things which are happening. Okay, Sanvi and Daksh, please stop writing whatever you're writing. So please be with me and pay attention. Okay, Adhosh has to turn his video on. Yeah, remember, every time you attend my masterclass, I'm adding more points to you so that when I give you a certificate, I add bonuses, I add celebrations to your certificate. So please make sure you attend my masterclasses every time, especially if you're part of my next level of the program. So what is important about hobbies is you need to have one activity which is away from your routine, away from your academics, because that is where you will rejuvenate. Especially, students like Manasa and Ananya, because they are already preparing for their professional programs, you need to have some time for yourself. Okay, and that becomes your me time. What does it become? It becomes your me time, M-E, me time, because that's where everything happens. And I'm a very, very, important thing I like to say that I believe in this, that you need to have one hobby, and not only for kids, even if parents are attending this session, and if you're listening to me, dear parents, you need to also find out an hobby for yourself. Because in the scenario right now, a lot of kids are experiencing anxiety, a lot of kids are experiencing, too many things are happening. They don't know, loss of interest, boredom, all these things are happening. So let's today understand the importance of hobbies. Are you ready for understanding the importance of hobbies? If you're ready for it, say, bring it on, Imran. We are ready to understand the importance of hobbies. So let us take us through the journey and share with you the importance of the hobbies. So let's go. What is the importance of the hobbies now? What is a hobby? Okay, who wants to read this out? Who wants to read this out? Who wants to read this out? Okay, I'm going to give it to Daksha Rao. So yeah, Daksha Rao, please read this out for us. Yeah.
Hobby is considered to be
a new student in my next level. Daksh, say hello to everybody. Okay, Daksh, please read.
hobby is considered to be a regular activity that is done for enjoyment, typically during one's leisure time. Hobbies include collecting them
Themed items, yeah.
itself and objects, engaging in creative and artistic pursuits, playing sports, or pursuing other amusements.
Yeah. So anything which makes it exciting for you, which is part of your, away from your regular work, is called as a hobby. And if you don't have one, you need to figure that out today before you hit the bed. So I want you to discover what is that one hobby which makes things exciting for you. You might have a hobby in your mind right now, but not necessarily that, okay, that is your calling or that is the exciting part of your learning. So now let's go to the next aspect and let's understand what are the next elements about your hobbies. So now, let's bring that up on the screen for you. Okay, so what are the benefits of pursuing a hobby? So the one of the first and important thing is it is for stress buster. You know, kids, you have too many things going on in your life. There are homeworks, there are online classes and everything, but hobby could actually be your stress buster. Doing something non-routine is a good way to deal with the stress. Okay, and it makes you happy and it builds your confidence and it makes you more interesting as a person and it helps you deal with boredom. And all these aspects, all these elements, you can master it. So are you looking at improving all this area? How many of you want to be a happy child? Give me a book, give me a hand and say, yes, Imran, I want to be a happy child. Okay, great. And how many of you want to build up your confidence? Yes, Imran, I want to improve my self-confidence. Very good. How many of you want to become a more interesting person? Like you have a lot of things to share when you meet your friends, your relatives, your cousins, and give me a big yes there, okay? And how many of you want to deal with your boredom? You know, sometimes you don't know, no matter how much you watch TV, play games, you still feel bored. So how do you overcome that? And how many of you want to be effective utilization of your time? Give me a big yes, everybody there. Abhijit, Abhinav, thank you. Thank you for being there. Great. So now let's find out more aspects of it. And you know what? This is also a good thing for your mental health. That means you're going to keep calm. You're not going to have any anxiety or other elements to deal with. So now let's understand the other aspects of writing. Great. So now, how many of you want to read this for me and tell me, Imran, this is what who wants to read that for me? Okay, Amog. Yeah, I'm going to unmute Amog. Amog, say hello to everybody. Everybody say hello.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah, Amog, read this up for us. Why? How can it help us in beating the stress? Everybody, listen up.
Stress buster. Doing something non-routine is a good way to deal with the stress. Non-routine activities take away our mind from routine and stressful activities. Thinking and doing things which we like relieves our stress. It replenishes our energy. It reaches our brain.
Yeah, Amog, it relieves our stress and it replenishes our energy. It recharges our brain. So good job. Can we hear a big applause for Amog for reading that? Everybody, can we hear a big applause for Amog? And who wants to read out the next? Who wants to read the next? Who wants to read the next? So can I see some hands going up? Yeah, I'm going to give it to Aditya. Hi, Aditya. Everybody say hello to Aditya there. Aditya, say hello to us.
Hello.
Great. So Aditya is going to read out the next point. What is the next point, Aditya? Makes you happy. Yes, please read that out.
Anything which relieves your stress makes you happy. Even looking forward to doing something you like also make you feel happy. You feel happy when you are planning your holidays or when you look forward to going to an entertainment evening. Research has shown that anticipating something positive unless positive emotions that can help us live happier lives.
Thank you, Aditya, for sharing that. Can we hear a big applause for Aditya for sharing with us? Thank you, Aditya, for reading. And how many of you agree with me if I ask you, Imran, when we think about our time, when we go out, when we're planning a holiday, when we are planning a week off, we all feel excited and happy. Remember that energy? That is a completely different one, right? So this is very important. So now let's go to the third one. Who wants to read out the third one? Okay, so Samriddhi, you want to do it? Okay, so everybody say hello to Samriddhi there. And yeah, please go ahead. I'm going to bring that on the screen. You can read that. Yes, please, beta.
Builds confidence. When you learn something new and pursue it as a hobby, your overall confidence level goes up. You feel happy and confident about what you know. This is a positive impact on your career,
Career, yes.
career and personality.
Awesome. That's very beautifully said and beautifully read. Good job. Give me a high five, Samriddhi. Thank you for reading out loud. And how many of you felt that, okay, Samriddhi did a good job. So what I'm going to do is, because she did a good job, I'm going to ask her to read one more activity for me. Could you please go ahead? Okay, I'm going to unmute you and let's hear from Samriddhi again.
Okay, sir. Makes you an interesting person. When you know something very dearly and are, sir, what is that?
Passionate.
Passionate about it, you master the activity. Master our go-to person for others. People would like to know more about your hobby, your passion, and yourself. Your insight into what you know.
Great. And what you know makes you an interesting person. Thank you so much, Beda. You did an awesome job. I'm really excited to have you as my student. I'm really looking forward to add value to your participation. So God bless you. And thank you for choosing to spend your evening here with us. So that was Samriddhi. Can we bring applause for her? She did an excellent job. How many of you agree with me that she did an excellent job? Give a big yes to her. Great. So I have 2 more points. So who's going to read out the next 2 points? So who's going to read out the next 2 points? Daksh, you already finished one. Okay. Sarvesh, you want to read that, Sarvesh? Okay. So let's hear from Sarvesh. And Sarvesh wants to read the next part. So let's do that.
Yes, sir. Helps you deal with boredom. This is a very big challenge. Recent surveys indicate that anywhere from 30 to 90% of Americans report feeling bored at some point in a typical day. Young people seem particularly vulnerable with surveys showing 91 to 98% reporting daily bouts of boredom. We Indians are no different. A good hobby is an answer to this boredom phenomenon.
Phenomenon. Okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Good job from you there. And can you hear a big applause? Everybody, can you hear a big applause?
Thank you, sir.
Great, dear. I really awesome. That's really great. Really great. So now let's go on to the next activity for the day. The reason why we shared about the hobbies today is the next masterclass. I want you all to come prepared to share your hobbies. And you know what? And you can also perform and show us, not only you are going to tell us about your hobby, you can actually show us what is your hobby. For example, if some of you play any instrument, how many of you play some music instrument? Yeah, you can play the music instrument for the entire classroom. So who's going to come prepared for that? Give me a big yes for that. Okay, so until the next master class, I have 3 important things. Everybody give me 3. Everybody give me 3. Okay, what is the 3 things? First thing, you need to finalize one hobby for yourself, speak to your parents, discuss with your parents, and finalize one hobby which you feel excited of doing or being part of. Make sense? Okay. Number 2, you need to share that with me in our group. That is the next level group. And if you're not part of the next level group, you can share it with the admin of the WhatsApp groups and share with us what is the new hobby which you picked up. Number 3, if you want to participate and demonstrate your hobby with us in the next upcoming masterclass, you have to register with us, because I cannot allow everybody to play. I can pick up 4 best people and they can demonstrate their hobby. So if you're good at singing, you can sing. You're good at robotics, you can show us your robot. If you're good at playing an instrument, you can do that. The idea is, dear children, remember, the idea about discussing hobbies with you is to make sure you are able to develop your self-image. You're able to develop your confidence. You know why? All these elements of you being happy, you maintaining your confidence, you being popular in every area of your life, because I want you to be a champion student. Everybody give me a champion student. Everybody give me a champion student. Yeah, I want you to be a champion. Okay. Yes, you can do that. All the things which you are good at. So next masterclass, don't miss. It's going to be very exciting because it's not about me. It's about you, because I want you to develop your hobbies and share with us all the exciting things. Will you all do that for me? Give me a big yes if you want to do that for me. Excellent. Now, as promised, I have some games for you for today. Are you ready for the games? Say, bring it on, Imran. I am ready for the games. So the first game is the memory game. Everybody show me this. Everybody show me this. The first game is the memory game. We have 9 more minutes and I want to do this quickly with you. What is a memory game? I'm going to display 10 different objects in front of you. How many? Everybody give me 10. 10 different objects. I want you to watch it for 1 minute. And then you have to write it down and show me whether you got that 10 objects without looking at it. Are you ready for it? Are you ready for it? So let's see if you have a good memory, and also let us check whether you are also following your handwriting, because all the answers will be on the screen. You have to show me the answers on the screen. So now let's get you started. So let's bring up that. So now everybody, what you have to do right now is pick up a plain sheet, anything which you have, fresh sheet of paper. And we are going to be doing this. Okay, so everybody write down this. Our next masterclass is on 15th of September. Okay, and if you want to participate, you want to demonstrate to us, you want to perform during the class, you have to confirm with us by 11th of September. Okay, so the first 5 confirmations will be considered. So everybody make a note of this. Our next masterclass is on 15th of September. And the last date to confirm is 11th of September. And then you can perform during the class. Okay. Now let's start with the game time. Everybody, are you ready for the game? Are you ready for the game? So what is the game? Okay. So let's do this now. Everybody drop your pens. Everybody drop your pens on the table. Everybody drop your pen on the table. Hands up. Everybody hands up. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you this image and I'm going to give you 1 minute to register everything. Come on, everybody. Your time starts now. Look at all the objects. Okay. So let's count how many objects we have. We have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 objects. And I want you to make a note in your mind. Use your memory registration, memory recall. Remember that? We did that in the speed writing competition. Memory registration, memory recall. Hands up. Sanvi, hands up. Yeah. Abhijit, I don't see your hands up. Yeah. Yeah. Sushmit, Samruddhi, hands up. No starting to write until we finished 1 minute. And now the moment I say go, you have to write down all these names in a plain sheet and submit it to us. And you got 10 more seconds. You got 10 more seconds. And go. And go. And go. And I'm going to stop this. And you get 1 minute sharp to write down all these 25 words. So your time has already begun and you have to write and show me all the 25. All the 25 words which we saw. All the 25 words we saw. All the 25 words. I'll request my support team to share the number with them. So those of who are not part of the next level, they can share their answers with us on that number. And today's answer sheet, you have to submit it to us on the next level WhatsApp group. and we will review it and we'll announce the participants who participate in the activity and who got it right. Okay, 1 minute is already up. I'm going to give you 1 more minute. Keeping up with 25 words, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Recall and then write. Don't worry, Ayush. Don't worry. Now the activity has already started. Don't worry about that. Yeah, you can participate in the next activity. Don't worry. Yes. If you're done, put your hand up. If you're done, put your hand up. So I know that you're done. Oh, that's really nice. 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stop, everybody. Please drop your pen. Everybody, hands up, hands up, hands up. Drop your pen, drop your pen. Thank you. How was the activity? How many of you enjoyed the activity? Imran, it was so fun. Okay, so now what is the process of submitting this activity? So click a photograph and share it with us on the next level group. Please write down your name, everybody on the sheet, write your name. Write down your name, full name, and take a picture, send it to us on the next level group. No, don't send it to the, yeah, you can send it to the group. And whatever you have, numbers, we will announce the participant who got the answers right. And then we are going to give you a virtual badge for doing this. So how many of you want to win a virtual badge with your photograph, with your name there, saying that you are the winner? So are you ready for the next game? Are you ready for the next game? Yeah, I'm going to give you 2 more minutes. I'm going to do a quick game before we go. And now that we discuss about the hobbies, I'm going to give you a word puzzle. How many of you are excited about word puzzle? Okay, so now everybody drop your pen on the table, hands up. Drop your pen and hands up. And the next, bring on the next activity for you all. And the next activity for all of you is the word puzzle. And everybody, I'm going to give you 1 minute to pay attention. And you know what? You have 5 words to pick up. So go pick up your pen, and there are 5 hobbies. Whatever you can see, the 5 hobbies, and you can write and show me as part of your submission for the competition. What do you think? There are 5 hobbies hidden in this puzzle. 5 hobbies hidden in this puzzle. So you need to write that and show it to me and submit it to us so that the next masterclass, I will announce all the results. In the next masterclass, I will be announcing all the results. I'm giving you 1 minute, 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, this will stop. So 1 minute is already up. Okay, I'm going to give you 1 more minute. So don't worry. So you get totally 2 minutes. And 10 seconds more. Come on, everybody. How many of you got 5? How many of you got 5? Give me a big guess if you got 5. Nobody? Okay, time up, time up. So I have to stop this. I'm sorry, I have to stop this. How many of you got? How many of you got all the 5 hobbies? No? Okay, I got 1, 2, 3. Nice. How many of you are enjoying this activity? How many of you are enjoying this activity? Very good. So what you have to do is everybody look at your chat box. Everybody look at your chat box. How do you submit this? You have to submit this. Please share your answers, and the submission should happen in next 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, if you submit, it is not qualified because you might see all answers and write it down and send it to us. So you have to send it by next 6:05. So 1 minute is already up. So you have to take a picture and send it to us right now in the group. And if you're not part of the group, you can send it to the number which is mentioned there. So dear kids, it's 6 o'clock right now. Thank you so much for being part of this wonderful masterclass. How many of you had exciting time? Show me some excitement. Say that, Imran, we had an exciting time in the masterclass. I want you to discuss your hobbies with your parents, share that with us. And next masterclass, 5 of you will get to perform in the classroom. And next classroom, we're going to be discussing more elements about how we can make you a champion student. Our idea of conducting masterclasses is to do activities beyond the academics, bring in some energy, pep you up so that when you go and you can perform and you can actually get you started. So thank you so much for being part of this. Dear parents, thank you so much for all the wonderful words which you shared with us about how your children are performing. And I'm looking forward to hear more testimonials in the coming masterclass. So till then, take care of yourself, everybody. God bless you. I will see you in the next masterclass. Till then, give me a high five, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being here. And it's a bye from me. And if you have any questions, you can stay back. I'm here for the next 2 more minutes. Submit your submissions. I'm going to be announcing the results. The submission time, you got 2 more minutes. After 6:05, no submissions will be qualified. So 6:05, go ahead, do it now. Do it now. Yeah, Samruddhi, you can share it on the number which you are in the group. You can share it with the admin there. Yes. If you have any questions, any queries, I'm here to answer. Please be available. Put your hand up. Yes. Okay, I see Samruddhi there. Yes. I have unmuted you, beta. You can talk to me.
Yes, sir. I have already posted to you.
Oh, great. Thank you so much. You are very quick. I really appreciate. So Samruddhi, I will see you in my next master class, and your class will start with me on 17th, 18th, and 19th. So that's what you have joined for. All this is our bonus. And thank you for being there. Is your mom around? Can I say hello to her? Okay, Dad, Mr. Banerjee, namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Yeah, thank you for being part of our community. This was a bonus class. Thank you for accepting my invitation and being here. Normally, this happens after you complete my program, but you got it before that. So this is fine.
Okay, that's great.
Okay. So I'll see you on 17th, 18th, and 19th of September. One of the parents, please be a part of Samruddhi's participation. And from there on, we will support you. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Great. And thank you, beta. Thanks for being there. Bye, everybody. Okay. Sanvi has a question. And Addy has a question. But for those of you watching this recorded session, do make sure a point that you participate in the live sessions in the coming days. Live masterclass are always exciting. Please be there. And I really look forward to add value to your participation. So thank you so much for watching this.
Excuse me, sir. I'm Sani. Can you